After I made the video of the day of the life of the therapist, I was asked to make a day in the life of a patient. So come follow me. I'll show you the journey of the patient from when I am told they're scheduled for St. Louis to the end. Just a little forewarning, this is how I do it. Every therapist has its own little tint. And then, I'm sure you already know, Gainesville has support staff, so a lot of the support staff in Gainesville helps out there with some of the stuff I'm going to show you. And then in some of the other clinics, us therapists go ahead and do a lot of the introductions and paperwork and that kind of stuff. So come, I'll show you what's going on. So when you are put on the St. Louis calendar, I send you an email, and it is from me, Sharon. And it's regarding the lodging in St. Louis, because we do have a right with the Residence Inn. And right now for this year, which is 2026, it's $139 a night for if you book for 4 nights or longer. And I send you the code, and there is a link that you can use to go ahead and register for the hotel. Of course, you're more than welcome to stay at any other hotel of your choice or an Airbnb, but this hotel, the Residence Inn, is literally right down the street from us, and we do have a good rate with them. However, there are less expensive places around. But I like to introduce myself that way to you. Then the Thursday or Friday before you come in, I reach out one more time. I go ahead and tell you about Clear Passage in St. Louis. I ask you to arrive a few minutes early for your first appointment. Give you the address. I attach your schedule that we have up to that point in time. And then just remember, any schedule that we give you is tentative, because as people book or need to be squeezed in, that schedule becomes a little bit more fluid. I also, at this point in time, give you my personal cell phone number, so you could reach out to me while you're traveling, or if you have issues trying to find the place. And then when you come to St. Louis, you'll find me in room 7. I give you a tour of this little part of the building with the toilets and the kitchen that you're allowed to use, and show you your room. I know in Gainesville that the support staff does this, but when you come to St. Louis, you come into the room, and the first thing we're going to do is just give you a welcome bag. And we give you a little tour of this in another video, but it has a Clear Passage cup and some socks for the clinic, and some fun stuff for the hotel. And then we also give you a folder. And in the folder, there is a schedule for the week that we printed out. We already know you have it, but just in case you wanted a hard copy. And then things to do in St. Louis, what to expect during treatment, and then what to expect the week after treatment, and things to do and not to do. And then you also have a business card, and again, it has my personal cell phone number on it. At this point in time, you're given a survey to fill out, and you're going to fill this out every day, in the morning and in the afternoon, and it talks about how you're feeling and what is going on in your body. After all the preliminary stuff is done, it's about time for the evaluation, and that is where you and your physical therapist go through pretty much your entire history, what's going on with you, what your problems are, when they started, what you think's going on. And then we look at range of motion, we look at posture, we look how organs are gliding on each other, and we actually do a full body evaluation, because we also treat the full body. So we get on the table and we do treatment. Treatments are 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the afternoon. We use deep pressure into the abdomen and the scar tissues to break up scar tissues and adhesions for small bowel obstructions, or for blocked fallopian tubes, endometriosis, prior surgeries, radiation. Sometimes we work face down and work on your back and your legs. Sometimes we work on your head and neck, because it's an entire body approach. After about 2 hours of treatment, You're given a break, asked to take a 20-minute walk. That cross-body motion is really important, help integrate all the work that we've done. You take a lunch, you relax a little bit, and sometimes you relax for an hour, sometimes you relax for 90 minutes, 2 hours, 2.5 hours, it all really depends. And then you come back and we continue to treat. And what you say and what you are feeling is very, very important. So make sure you talk to your therapist about what you feel going on in your body. Each time you come in for treatment, you're going to fill out this little survey, and it's looking at how you're feeling since the last treatment. This survey, it looks just a smidge different than your very initial one does, but you're going to fill it out every morning and every afternoon, so you and your therapist can keep track of everything that's going on with your body and how you're feeling. The folder that we give to you with all of the information at the beginnings of your first day, I ask my people to bring it with them every day so we can give you your home exercise program and you have a place to keep it in. When we give you your home exercise program, we are going to give you some handouts that you can put in the folder that I just showed you. But we will also give you some tools. And these tools can go into this little tote, and we are going to give you this little tote too. So eventually your folder could go inside the tote with your tools, and you won't have anything out of place. Everything will be in one spot. On your final day, you'll get a piece of paper. It has a website that has our after therapy page. And on this after therapy page, there'll be every exercise we've ever given, which you will not receive every exercise. But if you've lost your handout, you want to go back and look at videos of how to do certain exercises, it will be on this webpage. It also has recommendations of any type of tools or supplements or lotions that we recommend, and it also has a page of books on it. Also, on the last day, you are going to receive, it's called an exit survey, and it is a questionnaire of how well we've done, not how good therapy is, because we're going to follow up with you in a couple of weeks about therapy, but how was the home office, how was scheduling, how did your therapist treat you, is there anything in the process that you would change, any recommendations, things that you really liked. If you could fill this out and send it in to us, yes, there is a self-addressed stamped envelope that we actually give to you. Fill that out and send it in to us, and we will go ahead and look at any suggestions, advice, and commendations that you made. You are also going to receive a little postcard asking you to fill out a review online, either on Facebook or with Google reviews, because most people find us not through their doctor, not through friends, but through Google reviews and recommendations and reviews. So we really appreciate if you would fill out a Google review, go online to your Facebook groups and communities that you're part of and tell them about Clear Passage and how well it's worked for you. Make sure you tell your doctor about us too. So we look forward to seeing you when you come to one of our clinics. If you have any questions before then, make sure you reach out to our office.